Review on the Kuyo tactical pen. It's a nice pen. It's made of anodized aluminum, well, aluminium. I think it's quite heavy for a pen. It's a nice pen. There is the clip is screwed on by two Phillips screws. There's the Kuyo. There's the tip for self-defense. There's some nice screws in there for grip for the self-defense. All divots in here. It's all metal and the lid screws on. There's the pen. It's quite a nice writing pen. It's where Fisher Space Pen inserts. It's a bit squeaky. There's the pen insert. There's a spring. You put it in there. Put that there. It's quite easy actually. And then you screw it back together. And there's the pen. And that's what it looks like with the lid on. It came free with this Primark keyring on eBay, and the Primark keyring was only £3, so it's quite a good deal, I think, for a tactical pen. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment and subscribe please.